International Phonetics Alphabet. Phonetics and Phonology. Phonetics is concerned with how sounds are produced, transmitted, and perceived. So, phonology is concerned with how sounds function in relation to each other in a language. Sentence. I washed my dress yesterday. You have a new cell phone. I like this place because I can see the fog. Don't worry, I'm sure you'll be back. He likes this blue car. It's so beautiful. One of my best moments is to enjoy the ocean. We decided to change schedules due to our work. Really, this watermelon is very yummy and juicy. You can feel everything that happens around you. He is very special for me. Really, I love him. I like this water because it's pure and crystalline. They go to the gym to take care of their figure and be healthy. My favorite food are the chicken, salad, and juicy fruits. I can't see closely. I think I need sunglasses. Thank you.